Bajra or pearl millet is known as a winter superfood and has lots of health benefits. So today's recipe is all about Bajra Laddu or pearl millet balls. Do try this recipe and let me know how it was. As well, please don't forget to subscribe. Heat wide shallow pan on low to medium heat and melt half a cup of ghee. Once the ghee is hot enough, add acacia gum, also known as gond or dink. Fry this gond until they are puffed up and transfer them onto a plate. Make sure not to overcook them or burn them, or else they will taste bitter. In a same pan, add chopped nuts, 10 to 12 cashew and 10 to 12 almonds. Fry them until golden brown and transfer them onto a plate. In a leftover ghee, add bajra or pearl millet flour and cook on a medium heat until you smell nutty aroma or until slightly color change. Roasting bajra flour in ghee will give laddus a long shelf life. You can store them up to 1 month. Keep stirring constantly to avoid burning of flour. While stirring, make sure to break down the lumps. Once the flour is roasted nicely, add a homemade ground cardamom powder, around half a teaspoon. Then add in fried gond and fried nuts and give it a stir. Once all the ingredients are mixed well, add 1 cup grated jaggery. I have grated a block of jaggery and then measured in cup, but nowadays jaggery powder is available in stores as well. If you wish, you can use those. So low down the heat and cook mixture until mixture feels little sticky. Now break down the fried gond in the mixture with potato masher. You can blend the mixture in food processor if you desire. I enjoy the chunks of fried nuts while eating laddu, so I follow this method. Then add half a cup ghee and cook the mixture on low to medium heat. You can see that I am pressing spatula against the pan while stirring so that mixture will start to come together. Once the mixture reaches this consistency, transfer the pan on kitchen countertop and let the mixture cool down to warm and start rolling into balls. I made up to 21 laddus. You can store this laddu up to 1 month in airtight container. Hope this video was very much helpful to you. Bajra laddus are high in protein, fiber, iron, rich in vitamin B, promotes muscle gain, boosts hair growth, and it is gluten free. Winter is the best time to enjoy Bajra laddus. Make these laddus at home, and if you like it, do share and subscribe to Kelly's Kitchen. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care and God bless.